TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. 30 minutes to go until that opening bell. Let's check in on the markets as all major indices currently in the red. Dow Jones off 242 points, trading 24,610. S&P futures negative by 17 points, trading 2706. And NASDAQ futures off 39 points, trading 68.68. Let's start things off and take a look at the VIX this morning, as it looks like the market is going to open lower. VIX getting a little bit of a bid last night, up above 20, currently at 1976. So what we have going on in the markets, as I'm sure most of you have heard, Gary Cohn, Trump's top economic advisor, resigning last night during the 5 p.m. hour, sending markets in a little bit of turmoil. And of course, you have some spin out there this morning. You have the Commerce Secretary, Wilbur Ross. Come on, there we go. Out there, we're not trying to blow up the world with tariffs, so there'll be some pushback, of course, as to the implications of Gary Cohn resigning. But Gary Cohn was against those tariffs, and so this is the fear that that will start to spread a bit. Let's jump over and take a look at some of how the markets are reacting. So we'll back this up a little bit. There is your announcement. So quite a dive down to about 24.6. From there, kind of just hanging around at those levels from almost a 24.9 closing last night. NASDAQ 100, pretty similar pattern. Markets spike lower on the news of Gary Cohn resigning. From there, we're getting a little bit of a bid off the lows. We were down all the way to 6,800 in the NASDAQ 100. We're a good 67 points off that low currently. S&P 500, similar action. We were down at 26.85, call it 2 a.m. Eastern Time last night. There's the spike on the news last night after the closing bell. From there, we climbed 27.04 currently. Crude oil getting a little bit of a bid this morning, 62.33. We'll be back live on the air. I'll be with Tom in an hour and a half from right now. We'll have those EIA inventory numbers, see how those shape up for the market. Gold contract, 1332 currently. And Bitcoin trading 10,568. So other news you have out there this morning, ADP payrolls. Private sector jobs grow by 235,000 in February versus 195,000 expected. Fifth straight month of 200,000 plus jobs there. And of course, we have the federal jobs payroll number on Friday to look forward to. Stay tuned. Larry Pesavento coming up right now. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Full day of programming at TFNN.com. Have a great morning, everybody. Thanks.